This video is a Key Stage 4 introduction to drawing the basic circuit components. So by the end of this lesson we should be able to suggest why symbols are necessary rather than drawing out components, correctly draw the circuit symbols for the cell, battery, bulb, switch, motor, buzzer, resistor and fuse, and finally state the purpose of each of these components. So why is this a bad way to draw a circuit? Well, it might be that if you want to get somebody else to build the same circuit as you, they may not have the same cells available. They may not have the same bulb available. So looking at this particular picture, it may be very difficult to tell which particular bulb is necessary. Or if you can't access that bulb, whether you could use a different type of bulb. Whereas if we were to use standardized symbols, which are the same across the entire world, you can draw a circuit diagram and somebody on the other side of the planet will be able to copy that circuit diagram without understanding a word of English or without having the same artistic understanding or ability as the person who drew it. So first of all, the cell. The cell is the component that provides a potential difference to a circuit. It provides the push for electrons to flow around the wires. The battery is when we take more than one cell and put them together. The bulb is a component which allows light to be emitted using an electrical current. A switch is something which can break the circuit to prevent the flow of electrical current. We have a closed switch here as well. The closed switch is when the electrical current will flow. The open switch is when the electrical current will not flow because the circuit is broken. The motor, which uses an electrical current in order to produce movement. A buzzer, which is able to make a sound using an electrical current. A resistor, which is placed in circuits to reduce the electrical current in case you have other components that require a low current. And finally, a fuse. This is a safety device. If the electrical current flowing through the fuse becomes too large, the metal wire through the center of the fuse will melt, breaking the circuit.